In this video, we'll show you how to play American checkers. Come on, let's check it out!
Set up your board so that there are 2 black squares in the bottom right corner, and 1 black square in the bottom left. Next, place your 24 checkers on the dark squares on opposite sides of the board. A checker can only move forward 1 space diagonally.
So it can move here, or here, or here, or here, or over there, or here, or here, or here, or over there, or here, or here, or here, or here. Thus endeth the journey.
Once a checker reaches the end of the board, it becomes a king. A king can move 1 space diagonally in any of the 4 possible directions.
A player captures pieces by jumping over an opponent's piece when the space beyond it is empty. You can capture 2 or more pieces as long as you are zigzagging across the board and always moving forward. A king can capture in any direction as long as there is an empty space beyond it. When a checker lands on the king's row, it must stop to be crowned. In other words, thus endeth your turn. Players must capture whenever possible. If a player doesn't make the capture, his opponent must insist on the capture, and the illegal move must be retracted. Now that you know the rules, you're certified to play.
Thanks for watching.